Start recording. So today I'm going to teach you bank accounting. Okay. So in SAP, for the company code TN98, this is your legal entity. This is the legal entity that we are practicing, right? It's a company code. So our company code has many banks. These banks in SAP, I will create it as house banks. Some identification again here also. House banks. Okay. Under house banks, ICICI Hyderabad account, Mumbai account, Pune branch account, Chennai account. Okay. So these are called in SAP. I'm trying to explain you from SAP perspective. So these are called account IDs. Again, this is also one identification. Okay, account ID, account ID. All these are called account IDs. Some identity definitely will create some identifications. Okay, so TN98 will make payment from these banks. Now in SAP we have an option. We can rank the banks also. So I'm giving ranking. So every time I need to make payment from HDFC. So that what I will do for the HDFC, I will give ranking number 1, then ranking number 2, ranking number 3. That also we can do in SAP. Okay, that option is there. Now you have two types of payments. One is manual payment. What is the transaction code we used for invoice? FB60, right? Vendor invoice. What is the transaction code we used for payment? Sorry, forgotten. What is the payment? F
F
dash
F 55.
53. Okay,
No,
this is
53. Okay.
vendor payment. This is what we used. But do you think paying thousands of vendors, thousands of transactions, can we do manually every transaction?
No.
Not possible. See, you have some thousands of transactions, thousands of suppliers are there, thousands of vendors are there. Do you think paying manually will be easy? No, right? It's very tough. Doing a whole day, and we need some hundreds of users using this transaction. They have to post the transactions, right? So SAP has given one more option called automatic payment program. Automatic payment program. So in every interview you will have a number of questions from this program, this functionality. So two types of payments: manual payment and automatic payment program. Automatic payment, I can say. So in this automatic payment we have certain configuration settings. Okay, 5 or 6 are there. In the settings also we define house banks, account IDs and everything, and we also rank the house banks, and we also mention what is your available amount in each house bank. Okay, and we'll mention for which company code that is applicable. Okay, and you will and the most important thing is how do you make payment to the vendors? In what form? Whether you're making payment in cash format, cash, or you're making payment in RTGS or NT, or like what do you say, NTRF, right? We have another payment, NTRF. So in what payment method that you're making payment to the vendors? So that also in SAP we call it as payment method. Payment method. Example check, example cash, example NTRF or RTGS. These are the different payment methods. Okay, so that also we define in SAP system under your payment program configuration. Anything? Still any confusion here? Is it understandable till here at least? Any
Yes,
questions?
sir.
Okay.
No.
Now this is theoretically. Now we'll go back to the SAP system. We'll try to whatever we discussed, we'll create it in SAP system. My cursor is not working properly. So this is not. This is our system only. Yeah. But this is not our system. This is your system, Chari. Morning it was not working. I was using your system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I have to use my system. Okay. Connect. Sakshi, your system is working?
Sir, I have not checked. I think it is working. Maybe.
You're enjoying the Dasara festival holidays.
Yes, sir.
How
Not
innocent.
enjoying, sir. There's so much work and I मैं बीमार भी हो गई तो इसीलिए.
Eat good, be healthy.
Sir, I eat mostly healthy food, but because of this season, weather is changing, and that's why.
We should not eat healthy food, madam. Okay, that's the reason. You should eat unhealthy food, then only will be good. Right, right, Chari?
Yes, sir, correct.
And you should take alcohol, you should take non-vegetarian heavily.
Yes, outside food,
Uh,
samosa.
okay, coming back to the topic. Okay, so banking, we are learning now automatic payment. Okay, manual payment, you already seen manual payment using F-53 transaction. You'll do the payments now. And one more thing. Okay, at the time of GL master creation, I'll explain you. So there is a transaction code called FBZP. This is a transaction code which gives, I mean, it's saying it's all a customizing settings. I mean, configuration settings for payment program. That's the reason every time we call it as automatic payment program. So all company codes. Now, which company codes you want to make it applicable for this program? You have to mention very clearly here. So see, I mean, you have to maintain new entries. Company code is, what is our company code? TN98. Okay, sorry, TN98, and sending company code. Give the same thing here also. TN98. TN98. The reason why we have here two options means, so sometimes on behalf of one company code you will pay. Say for example, Tata has two company codes. One is Tata Technologies, one is Tata Consultancy Services. Both are related to IT companies. Okay. Now, Tata Consultancy has purchased resources from the Tata Technologies. Okay. Now, TCS is responsible for making payment to the Tata Technologies. Then paying will be TCS here. This will be your Tata Technologies. If you have multiple entities, in that case, you will use these options, but usually 95% it will be the same. But if you are particularly, if you are working on the intercompany transactions, then definitely. And this one, separate payment for business area. If you have multiple business areas, okay, so if you want to make it a separate payment, yes, you have to activate. If you want consolidation payment, no need to activate. Okay, this is also an important feature. We can, in interviews they may ask this question. You can say that it can be considered payment, or if you want to by specific business area wise for a separate payment, this also can be done. Okay, and here we have this one also, special GL transactions. So in case if you are making a down payment request, right, so it will make payment for the advance also. Option is there. What you have to do is you have to just select F, so it will make payment. A, this is sufficient. You have to select respective categories. So for time being, click on save. This is sufficient for now. Change the customizing request. Control F, TA 98. Continue. So this is your first step. What we have maintained here, we have maintained the company code. That's it. Sending and paying company code is the same company code we have maintained. If at all, if you want to make payment to each business area wise, just you have to activate it. And also, if you want to um, make payment for the request as a down payment, that also can be done. Why this is taking a lot of time here? Okay, come back. This is your first setting. Second setting is paying company codes. This is also similar. Go to the new entries. Now here paying company TN98. Okay. Now minimum amount for, so we are making payment for the suppliers, right? So minimum amount for outgoing payment. If I give some 100,000 here, so I can't make payment via this program. More than 1,000 it will 1,000 and 1,000 plus will applicable with the program. Okay, so usually it will be maintained 1 rupee. So more than 1 rupee, this program is applicable for making payments to the suppliers. So this is the minimum amount for outgoing payment. Understood, guys? It's a very simple minimum amount for outgoing payment. Sakshi understood, if I maintain 100 here, with this program, more than 100 only I can make payment. If it is, suppose for you have invoice of 66 rupees. So this program will not make for that invoice, will not make payment for that invoice because the minimum amount is 100. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so usually in the configuration in the real time also we maintain 1 rupee because so that it will be applicable for all the payments. No. So this is for the minimum amount for this is from the customer side. So automatic payment program can be used for customers also. Okay, say for example from the customer perspective, I don't want to confuse you. Say you have some what do you say so in what circumstances that you can see automatic payment from the payment to the customers? Customer has purchased goods
Some
from us. Customer
returns.
sales, returns, sales returns. Okay, customer has purchased goods from us, but they have returned. I mean, we have returned the goods. Now it's our responsible to make payment to the customers. Okay, in that case, you can use this option. Basically, sales returns. Okay, but usually a payment program 98% will be used for the suppliers, not for the customers. And one more important thing is separate payment for each reference. Every invoice will have one reference. Okay, so if you want separate payment for each reference, you can activate this one. Click on save, continue. Come back. Two settings has been done. Payment method in country level. The two settings are there. One is payment method for country, one is payment method for company code. So position, country is India in our example because our company code belongs to Indian company. Okay, so now here we can, of course, we can select anything. I mean, many are there. So say for example, if I double click this one, so country India, payment method 9, and the description. This method is applicable for outgoing payments, and which method you want which method you are using you want, whether it's check or it is bank transfer. Usually, most of the companies will use bank transfer only. So you have to activate bank transfer. Allowed for personal payments. Why this option is there means, in case your employees, okay, for your employees also applicable, automatic payment program will also make payment to the employees also, companies employees. Personal payments means company, personal means employees, employee payments. Okay, and if you scroll down, these are the required master record specifications. If you activate the street PO box, so while making payment with this program, system will check vendor address is there or not. System will check whether street address are entered in the vendor master or not. System will check whether PO box is entered or not. If you activate this one, if you don't activate, system will not check vendor master parameters, address parameters. And one more thing, for making payment to the vendor, so vendor needs some bank details, right? Without having vendor bank details, we can't make payment. To whom you will make payment, to which bank account you will make payment. So you have to make sure that bank details are maintained in the vendor master. So at least account number required, but for some countries international bank account number is required. Okay, no, but Indian company it's not required, but there are certain countries will require international bank account number. Similarly, some swift codes also required. Okay, so as of now I have just activated account number required, bank details. This is not our payment method, we'll create one more payment method. I'm trying to explain you. So on the right side, posting details for posting the transactions via payment program, you need document of ZP. It should have the number ranges for ZP. Okay, and in case if you're clearing something, you should have ZB number range also. Okay, let us create, and currencies allowed. So if you are keeping blank here, then that is applicable. This method, this method is applicable for all countries. Okay, And if you are specifically mentioning the currency, so it will allow this payment method is applicable for only INR currency related transactions. Permitted destination country, same way. If you are keeping blank, then this method is applicable for all countries. If you are particularly specifying that country, then it is applicable for that country only. So what we'll do, um, we'll okay, let us copy it from the 9 itself. So what, I'll go back here, I'll select this one, copy. So country is India, payment method had given 9, but what is available because this, since this is a trading server, I think most of them has used already one single letter for the payment method. I don't know what is available number available identification now.
Try sir.
Six
Please.
six. Okay, number of entries copied. Luckily 6 number is there. Okay, payment method 6. So I'll change this one. Okay, I have updated as a 6. Double click here. So I'll change the description to our company code. So our company code is TA98. So for this company code, we are using 6 payment method. Outgoing payments. Yes, I want to make payments to the supplier. So it's an outgoing payment. I want to use. I want to make payment via bank transfer. Even this program should handle employee payments also. And if you're activating this system, mandatory will check vendor details, especially vendor PO box details. If you're not maintaining, then system will throw the error if you're activating here. Okay, as of now I'm just removing it. Bank details are required here. You have to make sure that all the vendor master should have bank details. Otherwise, what you will pay, where you will pay. Okay, and for making postings, we need a specific document type ZP. So these details are sufficient. Currency is allowed. It is INR, yes. Permitted destination, keep it blank as it is. Click on save. So the payment method 6 has been created. This payment method is created at country level, not at company code. Now this has to be copied to the company code. So we had seen one is all company codes, one paying company codes. Now we had seen payment method country. Now we have to see payment method company code. Two settings, one for country, one for company code. Now payment method in company code. Click on new entries. So paying company code is TN98 and the payment method is 6. Okay, and amount limit 1 rupee maximum. We can give maximum amount. Now here, foreign business partner allowed. In case if you are purchasing goods or services from the foreign business partner, if you want to make payment, you have to activate this one. For the foreign business partner also it will allow. Foreign currency also it will allow. Okay, if you are making transactions in foreign currency also it will allow if you activate this one. And certain cases what happens if the customer vendor, if okay, maybe your vendor is in India but his bank is in abroad. In certain for the certain cases also that for those transactions also system will make the payment if you are activating this option. Okay, 3 options are there. Now here these are the grouping of items. Usually it is not required, not used also. Click on save, continue. So here it's there. Double click here. Okay, so this is important. So two company codes and two payment methods, one for country, one for the company code. Now before going to the bank determination, now companies or TA98 companies, house banks need to be defined. So go to the position, we are in display mode, not in the change mode. Why we are not in the change mode? House banks, position. What is the company code? TA98. Select house banks, change view. Now it's there. Okay, click on new entries. Now we have to give the house bank. Now you tell me what is the bank that you want to give for our company code. I see. This is also identification. Okay. So what I'll do, IC TA. Okay. Bank country. This is an identification. House bank. Okay. Let me put it as it is. ICICI. It's a 5 character only. Bank country region. Which belongs to which country? India only, right?
Yes.
Bank key. You have to give some bank key. Every bank will have some key, unique key. Okay. Give something as some number. Okay. It's already there. 99. Now here, if this is not available, then you have to create it. Now you have to mention the details. See, I have created here. Now we have to mention the bank details here. Okay. So bank name is ICI and bank branch is Kuda. Okay. And street house number. This is very okay. And the street house number you can give something. And postal code some 50302. You know, right, Divya? So this one city, Hyderabad.
Yes.
Okay, this is sufficient, and system will expect some bank number here also. I'll give something different number, 4 digits, and this one has 66778899. This is 4444. So why I'm giving is system will ask you the details. So that's the reason. Click on continue. So we had given bank related details, bank branch details, but not the bank account number. Have we given anything? No, right? There is no bank account number here. So where I will give the bank account number details then? First click on save here. Now here double click. So now under ICACA, now ICACA may have different branches. ICACA Naranaguda, ICACA Himayatnagar, ICACA Manlaguda. So you might have different branches. So this is your main house bank account. Under house bank, you will have different bank accounts. Read access only. That's correct. So earlier in ECC system, we are able to create here. Now this entire screen has been given access to the users. I mean, end users will update the transaction. So for that, they will have a different access, NetWeaver access. I mean, NWBC, NetWeaver Business Client access, which is from here. Create bank account. This will redirect to the separate connection. Not sure in our system it will work or not. Sometimes it is not working. Privacy error. Oh my God. Yeah, it's working luckily. So what is King, right? King and laptop great. I hope it will work. Yes, luckily it is working. So if you look at here, this is something. It's a separate SAP provided business client. Now, this screen now it is enabled for the users. So users knows, right, what is a bank account they have to create it. So they will create it from here. But house bank creation is our side from the consulting side. But from the account creation is from the end user side. So end user will create this one, not us. So opening balance. Sorry, this is opening date. Opening date I will put it from the initial year, April 1st. And this is your closing date of this bank. Company code. What is the company code? TN98. And account holder. Give some ABC Limited. Okay. Bank country India region. This is India. And bank key we already maintained bank key. Now you should tell me bank key, which is not this one. Sorry. Sakshi, what is a bank key we defined? Scroll down. This one, right? See, ICICI Naragoda, Hyderabad. So this is your bank key. Select one. So this is fine, correct one. And it automatically it took bank number also. Currency, INR, and this is not applicable in our case. Account number. This is your actual account number. So this branch account, I mean, especially your current account number. So give some account number and account description. Obviously, account description will be your nothing here. I think you have to update it. Let us see. Account type, current account. This is not mandatory. Ignore it for now. So it's picking 503002 Hyderabad. That is fine. Current account and account number, currency INR, bank number is pick all this. It is picking this number is picking from the bank key, country and account holder, and your this account is applicable from so and so date to so and so date. Go back to the house bank account connectivity. Click on add. Now you have to link your house bank link here. House bank, we already created house bank. See, house bank is there, company code is there. Now house bank account. Now this bank account number, you have to give some identification. So this account IC01, okay, account ID this one. So here we had given the account ID. Now GL account. Yep, this is important. Now coming to the bank accounts, bank GL accounts, we need three GL accounts. Okay, one is one is main bank account, which is house bank. Okay, another account is for incoming. You are receiving payments from the customers, incoming account. Another account is outgoing account. To make payments to suppliers. Okay, so we'll be creating three bank accounts. One is main bank account, nothing but your house bank account, and one account is for the receiving account from the receiving payment from the customers and making payment from the vendors is another account. So total three GL accounts. So whenever you create any bank, for example, in this case, you have this one house bank, you have HDFC house bank, SBI house bank. So each ICSA will have three bank accounts, HDFC will have three bank accounts, SBI will have three bank accounts. Okay, so each house bank will have three accounts. One for the main bank, one for the incoming, one for the outgoing. Now let us create three bank accounts first. Where is FS00? So this is not our company code. So company code is TA98. Now bank accounts comes under which category, Chari? Liabilities?
Assets.
Assets. So go to the assets. So we already have bank. So ignore that one. So 1010, 11, 12. Three bank accounts will create it. Please concentrate, okay? So 1000, 1010. This is not our company code. TA98. Press enter. Now it belongs to balance sheet account, belongs to asset account. Here what I'll do, ICICI main bank account. This is main bank. Okay, main bank. Copy, paste it. Control data. So this is it's a balance sheet account. So no need to update anything else. Sort key. If you have any bank specific, you can give. Otherwise, depends upon your business requirement. Which date you want to update. So posting date or anything else. Do we have anything bank related? Usually value date is required. Okay. Create bank interest. So we already have one bank related field status group, which is bank accounts, obligatory value date. Okay, so this one you can select it. Okay, I will explain you what are the details we have updated for the main bank account. It's asset related balance sheet. It comes under balance sheet account type, and ICC main bank account under control data. Since it's a balance sheet account, you can give balances in local currency, and sort key 0 to 7, which is value date. What is value date? Value date is the date where your amount is cleared on that particular date. Say for example, if I have issued check to the Sakshi, the check will clear after 3 days. That clearing date is nothing but value date. It has to credit in our account. That date called value date. Okay. Create bank interest, bank accounts. G0005. SAP already provided one specific field status group for bank accounts. Click on save. Remember one thing. For the main bank account, we are not going to activate open item management. For other bank accounts, we need this option. Okay, open item management. I will explain you why we need this option. So for now, what I'll do, this main bank account 1010, I will assign it here first. Where is main bank? See, 1010 it came here. So I have updated here. GL account is required for posting bank statements. Yes, relevant payment batches will automatically upload. Okay, center. That is fine. And this is okay. This is okay. And this is also okay. Click on save. So description English. So it is saying that English language is not maintained here. So this has to be English description. English language not maintained. You can mention something current account. Current account. Okay. Press enter. Click on save again. Okay. Bank account, current account created. This one you can ignore. It's a warning message. So this is fine. Account has been created. Now the status also it is in active mode. So what we have done here, we have updated the date 1/4/2025, and also we had given company code and account holder, and also this one, these details anyhow we have already created, but you have to specify the bank key, so system will update these details. We had given INR, account number, and I have mentioned current account type also mentioned, and contract type is also account, which is a description. Okay, and other details. After giving these details, you have to mention your under house bank account data, you have to give your GL account number. Where is that one? Not here. Here. Okay. Under house bank account, ICAC 1010 is a main bank account. And also one more thing is under house bank ICAC, this is your account ICI 01. Just imagine this is for the branch Naranguda. For example, if you have one more Himayatnagar or Uppal branch, so what you will do, under house bank ICICI, you will mention ICIC 02. So you'll maintain the sequence. Okay, now I already saved it. Now come back to the SAP screen. See, these details are not updated here. This will get refreshed when I refresh the transaction. Come back, come back, completely come out, completely come out. Now go back FBZP again. So go back to the house banks. We created one house bank, which is ICICI. Under that ICICI 01 is a bank account, which is one branch. Position, company code is TA98. So under for this company, these are the different house banks they're using. Okay, ICICI is the one house bank. Under ICICI, this is your bank account. See, it got updated. We updated here, it got updated automatically here. House bank, under house bank ICI 01 is your one account, current account. This is your bank account number, INR, GL account number, and all the other details. Is that clear? But still some confusion.
It's clear, sir. But only thing is bank key. How it is? It is just number, or is anything we need to?
Bank key. Bank is a unique, sir. For each country, each bank will use some bank key. Unique. It's a unique key.
Okay.
Like a Swift key example. We
So
use
bank is in this field you specify the bank key under which bank data from the respective country stored. So every country will have some bank key it seems. When you define the country key, you also specify the country specific definition of the bank key. Normally you manage banks using their bank number. Okay, the bank number is a control data for the bank is displayed twice. That is bank key 2. In certain countries, the bank account number takes on this function that there are no bank numbers and the bank data is managed using the account number. In India, I don't think that is really required. For data medium exchange, you may find it useful to be able to enter foreign business partners without a bank number. Even if there are bank numbers in the country in a question. In this case, the bank key can be assigned internally. To manage bank data using another key, for example, Swift code, external number assignment cannot be used, as you mentioned, Divya. So depends upon the country specifically requirements.
Okay.
Anyhow, no need to worry. This is something where so initially if you are going for an implementation, your x company, you are going for implementation, right? So while implementing, you will get all the data to SAP system. Okay, legacy data, whatever the system they are using. For example, Oracle system, they have hundreds of banks. Now it is their responsible to update the data, right, in Excel sheet. Only those Excel data only will be creating in SAP system initially, correct?
Yes.
See, no need to worry. I mean, each and every details will be provided by user only, right? Client has to provide. We don't know what bank accounts they are using.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to maintain. Just remember what I have done. I have created only house bank. I'm just showing once again house bank. Go to the position TA98. So this company has these house banks. As of now, we have only one house bank. If you create one more house bank, then it will show two house bank accounts. Okay. So these are the details I had given for this ICICI. This is the bank account details. This screen came from here, maintain bank account. When I click this one, this separate web page will get opened. Fine.
Fine.
So this is called NetWeaver Business Client. NetWeaver Business Client page. This is redirected to the NetWeaver client. So you have to enter all the details. But before that, just make sure that GL account is created. Now this GL account is only for this main bank account. Now, so I have created the bank account, right? Let us create two more GL accounts also. 1010 copy. Should not copy, but I'll tell you what is the difference. So go to the description. So this is ICICI, not main bank. Incoming account. Incoming ICICI incoming. If you want, try it. It's already account only. If you want, you can try it. Okay. I'm just listening some background noise. Mute yourself otherwise. ICICI incoming account. Control data. This is important. Under control data, you have to make sure you have to keep it open data management. And if you're activating open data management, this is not required. System will throw the error. You can see create bank interest. This is fine. Click on save. If you are activating open data management, system will throw error for the balances in local currency. It has to throw. It did not throw it, so it is approved. It is okay. Since it is a balance sheet account, it got approved. Okay, fine then. Open data management is mandatory for incoming account and outgoing account. Incoming account and outgoing account. Okay. Sorry. This one for the reconciliation accounts we can't activate this one. Sorry, not for open data management. Now we have to create one more account for the outgoing account. 12. Make sure create the accounts very clearly because you are going to do bank reconciliation also. Outgoing account. outgoing account. So this account is used for making payment to the suppliers. Control data. So scroll down. Open data management is very important. Rest other fields are same. Click on save. So we created ICC main bank account, ICC incoming account, ICC outgoing account. So for making a payment to the suppliers, we'll be using always 1012. For receiving customer payments, we'll be using 1011. These are open item accounts. Then your question should be, when this open item will get cleared. You should get that question, right? Now I will explain the process. Try to understand. I'm explaining the bank reconciliation process now. Understand carefully the process. Now, so Sakshi, what is the vendor invoice transaction? Debit and credit. What is vendor invoice posting? So expenses debit, and what is your credit side? Vendor is
Vendor.
credit, right?
Yes.
This is your accounting transaction at the time of FB60, correct? Now you have to make payment for this vendor. So for the payment, vendor payment. Understand the process. So vendor payment, either you do F-53 or F110, which is automatic payment transaction. Okay. Now vendor debit, bank account credit. This is what we have done earlier, right? So instead of bank account, you have to give which account you have to give? Which account you have to give? 1012 account. This one, this account is nothing but 1012, which is outgoing account. Okay, this will show as open item. This GL account will show as an open item. This vendor is got cleared because expenses has been done, the payment to the vendor has been done. So this is cleared, but still outgoing account is showing as open item. When this account will get cleared? We don't know whether the bank has made payment to this vendor or not. So during reconciliation, after you will receive bank statement, right? So okay. So after doing F110, we'll send these details, the payment details, which is called payment advice. Okay, payment details will be send it to bank. Now bank has all the details, which vendor to which vendor how much amount has to be paid. Okay, this after running F110 payment, so we'll be sending payment details to the bank. Now bank has all the details, to which vendor, how much amount have to pay. So they have all the details now. Now what bank will do? Bank will make payment to the vendors based on the details provided by the company. I mean based these details. Okay, based on the details provided by company. Nothing but F110 details. Clear? Now what happens next? Now bank, after making payment to the vendor, now company, do you think the company knows whether the bank has made payment to the vendor or not? We don't know. So every month, even you also will be receiving bank reconciliation, bank statements, right? So company will receive, what you will receive? Bank statement from bank. So what you will do after receiving the bank statement? You will process in SAP system. Process bank statement in SAP. Now what happens this account? Control C, Control V, and this will become main bank account, ICICI main bank account. So this will become debit credit, this also debit and credit. This is here open item, this is cleared. Now you are making payment from the, so at last what is happening? Main bank account, vendor debited and bank account credited. Finish. This is knock off. This is knock off. So at last you are making payment from vendor to bank account, to the main bank account. So until the bank statement is processed, this will show as an open item. We'll come to know, right, whether the bank has made payment to supplier or not. Is that clear or not? Read it once again if you are like getting confused. साक्षी ये समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ये वाला
Yes, sir.
कुछ खा रही है? So Divya,
Yes, sir.
Divya understood? Chari?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Finally, expenditure
हाँ,
account data to main bank account.
हाँ, that also okay, fine. That also you can say, or you can say vendor debited and the payment has been done credited. Okay?
Okay.
हाँ, your vendor also got cleared. You
Cleared.
can say that expenditures to main bank account. Yep, obviously it has to your balance sheet at the end of the day you are going to take trial balance only, right? So trial balance will have only GL accounts. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the process. Similarly for customer also. Here customer it will get reversed. That's it. Instead of this outgoing account, incoming account will come, and the other side it will come main bank account. So this one will test it through when we work on bank statement process. Okay, but as of now we are here now. Now go back to the SAP screen. 1012 is outgoing account. Go back to the FBZP. House banks we already defined. You know that we have created one house bank. Go to the bank determination. This is important. Go to the position. What is the company code? TA98. Select your TA98. Now ranking. Now your company may use n number of banks. So for that purpose, SAP has provided one ranking option here. Payment method. What is your payment method? 6 payment method. TA98. Currency is INR. Now you have to ranking order. Which house bank you want to rank? 1. And house bank is we already created house bank which is ICICI. That's identification I had given. ICICI. So this click on save. Of course you can save after defining all the steps, but it's fine. Better to save it. Bank determination is very easy. I mean you have to rank the house banks. Chari thinking so many configurations are there, right?
Yes, sir. But
Because your
ranking, how it
yeah.
will be helpful, sir? Ranking means.
So if you want to make payment from different HDFC bank account, in that case you have to rank that one. Next ICC too. So system will take it from the HDFC.
Okay, if we give the rank one,
Huh.
means
So
automatically we'll pick up
so
first bank only. One rank.
yes sir. For example, you have HDFC and ICICI. Now you will say that no, Pramod sir, always first it has to pick from HDFC bank. So HDFC will be one ranking number. This ICICI will be next priority, second. Okay.
Okay.
Now bank accounts, second one. Double click on bank accounts, click on new entries. What is your house bank? Select it from here.
ICICI.
ACCA. And what is this one? Payment method. Again click select your 6 number. And what is this one? Currency. Select INR. And what is this account ID? You remember under ICICI Bank we have an account ID.
IC01.
ICI01. That's very good. So current account, bank sub account. Yes, this is a bank sub. It's a GL account. So whenever you make any payments to the suppliers, which account I have to consider?
1012.
because outgoing account. So all payments to the suppliers will be used 10. Basically all payments, okay, payments will be done with this account, ICC outgoing account. Click on save. Now this is not required. Okay, this one actually this option, enhanced option, this one S4 has brought new functionality. Okay, but still what do you say, SAP is working on this activity now. Okay, and I need to explore this option also. Available amounts, new entries, house bank, select your house bank, account ID, select your account ID, days, 999, currency, INR, amount, just give some big amount, click on save. So validate is not required, leave it, ignore it. It is not mandatory, but we'll see if it is asking, then we'll come back here. And this one, bank accounts enhanced, right? This is a new function. SAP, earlier it was not there. SAP has brought this new option. As of now, companies are not using this option, but there are companies using this latest option also. Okay, so this one I'm exploring this option because this is something completely new, subledger concept. Okay, so here we are using 3 GL accounts, right? Where is that one? I mentioned, right? Okay, incoming, outgoing, and main bank account. But if you are using this option, SAP has provided to use only two accounts. One is main bank account, one is clearing account. Only two accounts. So see, you have GL. What are the different subledgers we have? We have subledgers. What are the different subledgers? Sub
Expense,
no
income,
subledgers. Accounts payable,
accounts receivable,
accounts receivable, even asset also we treated as
subject.
subledger, right? Asset also.
Yes.
Because you remember, right? Wherever you use reconciliation accounts, those are called subledgers.
Yes.
Similarly, what SAP has brought, SAP treated bank also as a subledger. That is the new method. This method. This if you are using this option, this latest SAP provided option, they are treating bank accounting as subledger. This option. So I need to explore this option. Okay, I need to understand how it works in SAP system. So they're treating this one as subledger bank accounting. Okay, earlier we used everyone, I mean all the previous companies from the almost for the last 20-25 years, everyone using the traditional method, this method only, this method. Okay, so each bank should have 3 GL accounts. One is main bank account, incoming account, outgoing account. In case if anyone asks you, you can say that I did not work on the latest method, but I am aware on the traditional method. I am trying to explore the new method as well. That should be your answer. So if you go to the new option, I have to even I have to test that new method. Bank subledger in S4 HANA. This is completely bank account management. Separate area is there. Okay, the bank's account subledger concept treats the individual bank account as master data, allowing for a more granular and detailed view of bank balances. So this one, how to create a house bank's account side. This is completely different one. Okay, bank reconciliation account. I have to explore this option completely. Bank clearing account, bank reconciliation account. So this is SAP provided new concept. Every day SAP will bring some new areas. Searching for the bank reconciliation accounts in S4 HANA 2020. Blocks are there. This is a best one. I'll just save this one. We'll see. See, under GL account, you have to select cash account here. So system will give another account type, creating a bank clearing account. This is very good block. We have to test. See, enhanced one. But you have to understand what configuration settings are required. Where is our explore? I will also explore this one. New method. Very advanced method, this one. Okay. Now let us understand the existing method at least. So come back to the loop here. So we have defined all the settings here. So we are done with the configuration settings. Okay. Now go back to the vendor master BP transaction. Anyone remember what is the BP supplier? Okay, even I don't remember. So we'll go indirectly. XK02 change vendor. Company code is TA98. Let me check the supplier. Star search. TCS. Go to the payment transactions, accounting. Press enter. Okay, close this one. See now. Under under general data, you will have this bank details. So you have to enter the bank details here. Which bank details? Whose bank details? Vendor related bank details. Okay. This is country only, right? Country. Bank key. Even vendor also will have some bank details will be there. So give something odd number. Bank account number. Give some again odd number here. Control just don't not required all these details. Click on save. Bank name. So some S bank. Vendor as S bank. Branch. Some MG road. So street number. So give some number. And this also gives some number. So postal code, so use something, and city, so Bangalore, and this is fine. Bank number also you can just give some other number. Click on save. Whose details are these, Sakshi? किसका है details ये?
Vendor.
Vendor का. So क्योंकि अपन पे करना पड़ेगा, right? To which bank account you have to pay? You have to pay vendor bank account. So it is already saved. Now go back to the company code. So under payment transactions, click on change mode. Give your 0001, which is immediate payment. Okay, pay immediately. And payment method, we already defined one payment method. What is the payment method? 6. Okay, you can default your we can default house bank also from here, but not required. Click on save. So what are the details I have maintained? Payment method, this one also you can at the time of invoice posting also you can maintain, not mandatory. And under general details we have maintained bank details of vendor under payment transactions. Any questions on the vendor master data? Okay, come back. Now go to the FBL 1N. Do we have any open items, sir?
Didn't see, sir.
So we have many open items, right?
Yes.
So let us consider this one 1309 payment method, because these are posted before our configuration settings. I'm just having small confirmation but not sure, but we'll see if it is getting paid the complete amount or not. Okay, we'll run the payment program. Okay, let it be. I'll keep this one as it is. So slash O, what is the T code for payment method? Actually, sorry, payment run F
110.
110. Okay, you already by heard it, huh? So okay, run date, give run date today's date. Okay, What is the today's date? 04/10/2025. And identification TA okay, TA01. And the parameters, company code is TA98, and payment method is 6. Next posting date is, just give the next date, 05/10/2025. Supplier, we already have one supplier. Select supplier.
Company code, it's not correct.
Yep, my mistake. So this one, and this is absolutely wrong, TA98. And this is fine. We have only one supplier. Just copy here. If you have many suppliers, you can give, or you can select multiple suppliers from here also. And these are the sufficient free selection. This free selection is for if you want to specify only specific documents also, we can use that option. Additional log, due date check, system will check the due date, and payment method selection if not successful. Line items for the payment documents option, just select the options. And vendor, we already have the vendor. Let me check the vendor, take it from here. Oh my god, what is that sound?
Fan.
Huh?
Fan sounds are from us.
Oh my god, kya sound sir? No sound. Now you are SAP consultant sir, you should use AC. Control C, Control B. Okay, I've just given the vendor here and the printout data medium, just ignore it, don't give anything else. Click on save. So what parameters I had given? Just I had given the run date and some identification. Okay, some identification. Parameter I had given company code and the payment method, next posting date. System updated these dates automatically, and supplier updated here also, but it did not took. Free selection, ignore for now. Additional log, I had given the, I had just selected the first, third and fourth, and your vendor. Printout data medium, ignore the printout data medium also. Click on status, so system will ask you to save the parameters first. Now go back to the second step. Second step is proposal. So proposal is like just test run mode. Select start run, start immediately, click on continue. So system is reading all the details. So posting period 7 is not possible for company code, so it's giving warning message. So we have not opened the posting period. So go back. So cancel this one. Press enter. So definitely it will give logs, display proposal log. Select here. Now you can read the details. Period 7 is not opened. So we are in the month of 7, right? October is 7th period. Slash O OB52. 7th period is October. TN98.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So that's the reason system is throwing. So how I came to know? Because under log I see here company code is not opened. So that's the reason system is not allowing me to make payment. Allowing me to make payment. So what I'll do, I'll open this one. So vendor payments 1 to 12. This is already open, but yes also we need it. So bank account, right? So this is also, I'll make it 12. This also will make it 12. So click on save. Continue. So I'm just keeping periods open for the making payment. We need, what will be an accounting entry? Anyone? If I post payment, when I execute payment program, what will be an accounting entry? No one? This one. Vendor to outgoing account. Right? So come back here. This is done. Now go back to the this one here. So go to the edit proposal, delete it, delete the proposal because it was incorrect, right? So deleted the proposal from here. Now parameter is already there. Again click on proposal, continue, scheduled. Okay, proposal is running, payment proposal has been created. Now check for the display proposal. it's giving error message. Now we need to resolve all these errors. Double click here. So it's not picking any bank, not payment, because we these are the entries were posted before our configuration settings, right? So what we should do, we have to for all these items we should assign payment method. So I can do it from here, or it's a display mode only. Change mode also we have it. Click on edit proposal. Okay, continue. Double click here. Change. Reallocate. Payment method is, what is the payment method? 6. House bank. You can select it here. It's a mandatory. Account ID also select it. Click on continue. These details are sufficient. Rereading inventory bags. Yes. So see now. Okay. Click on save. It is reading only first one. Huh? Now come back. See, one document has been updated within green mode. Double click here. So here change. Okay, it is asking to change one by one. We don't have option to change all the documents together. So what I will do, I'll go to the FBL1N and we'll change from here itself. Change layout, get payment method, payment method. Okay, so get payment method here, continue. So here payment, where is the payment method here? Payment method, select, array, control, you have to press control, click on mass change. So what is the payment method? House bank is your from the report also we can change. Company code is TN98. It's showing all the banks. This is your house bank and payment method is 6. That is sufficient for now. Execute changes. So system updated payment method 6 for all the open items by using FBL1 in transaction by using this option. I just selected the respective rows and updated all the details. Now come back to the proposal. Go back. Payment proposal has been edited. This is fine. Display proposal. Still it's showing because we have this transaction has not been updated. What I'll do, edit payment proposal. So edit proposal, delete it. I want to delete the proposal. Okay, refresh status once again. Now go back to the proposal. Now continue. Now proposal is running. Now check whether in the test run mode whether all the items are coming in the green mode or not. Still I see some issues here. So still what is the issue? Double click method 6, error in creating the payment document, read job log. Okay, error in creating the payment document, read job log. It's not giving any hint to me. Error in creating the payment document, read job log. So what we should do, go back and read the proposal log, then we'll understand. F110 has been started, identification TA01, additional log for vendor, 407 line item, INR 00 grace days period considered, payment must take place for 24/8, next payment run 5/10/2025, this is fine. So grace days, place payment must take place before 1/24, cash discount. So it's giving all the individual document numbers. Okay, 4081305, and anything else is missing here. Carefully we have to see what is missing. So system is giving this error. If you look at here, exchange rate different accounts are incomplete for account 2001. Why this is throwing? You might faced this error, right? Exchange rate different accounts, because at the time of invoice posting, at that day you have different exchange rate and you are making payment today. So definitely there could be some gain and loss differences, right? Do you agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
I have faced the same issue.
because we are selecting all these invoices posted on those dates, and on those dates you are because since we have group currency USD system, definitely at that time the group currency might be different, and today group currency might be different, the value of group currency. So system is expecting some differences here, exchange rate differences for incomplete for account 2001. So what we should do, go to the OBA1 transaction, KDF transaction, continue. So new entries. So GL account is 2001. What is the 2001 GL account? What is 2001? It's a vendor. Definitely it will be vendor reconciliation. See, vendor reconciliation account. This is vendor account. In the vendor master we have reconciliation, right? Subledger 2001. So 2001 is your account, and the currency INR. If you don't give, if you keep it blank here, then it is applicable for all currencies. If you are specifically giving currency here, then it is applicable for only INR currency GL accounts. Okay. Now exchange rate different realized, valuation translation. So system is, so exchange rate different realized, you have to give here. So do we have accounts, gain and loss accounts /O FS 00, give some if it is gain then you should give income here, if it is loss then you should give expense. So we already have an account. Okay, create it one what do you say, income account 4006, continue. So balance sheet, now this income account, and you have this option also. If you are treating this as non-operating income, then you can give this one. So in that case system will not ask you cost center. Otherwise if you are treating as this, I mean, so this should be not balance sheet, it should be primary cost, or either non-operating income or primary revenue. So this is something they have to confirm, not balance sheet, sorry. So if you are selecting this one, then system will ask you account assignment, cost account assignment. If you are selecting this one, system will not ask you any account assignment. Again, it's a business question. I'm selecting primary cost revenue, we'll see, and this is in gain on exchange rate differences, exchange rate differences. Okay, I'll put it here. So rate differences. So income account, scroll down, and the customer category, it's an income. I'll give revenues, control create bank interest, you can give G029, which is income account. Revenue accounts, click on save. So similarly, and this expenses loss, right? So 3006 is your expense account. So this also primary cost expense and expense account. This one what I will do, loss on exchange rate differences. Okay, control C, control V, loss on exchange rate differences. You are able to understand, right, Divyachari, Sakshi? Control data.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down, sort key you can give 001. Customer category, this is expense, so primary cost, create bank interest, G004 is your expenses related. Cost accounts, control data, type description, click on save. Now We have two GL accounts. One is expenses, one is income. Go back to the here. Now gain account, you have to give gain exchange differences. So from I'm getting errors, right? So I'm just resolve. I'm just proceeding based on the proposal log errors. Still in test run mode only. So what is the account you have to give here, Chari? For the which one? This one. Loss account for realized exchange rate gain it is. So where is the gain account? We created it
Four,
right.
four, four series.
4 series. Very good. So gain on exchange rate differences. Loss
3 series, 3006.
3 series. Chari remembers series also. Loss on exchange rate differences. Click on save. Continue. And this one is for the month end reporting. Okay, month end reporting purpose on that particular day, what will be your loss and gain? I'll explain this also, but I have to record this session. Okay, I'll share the recording session. I need to little research on this activity also. So come back. Now go back to the proposal log. So we identified by seeing this message. Earlier message was posting period variant. Now we had identified this message. Now go back. What we should do? Edit mode, proposal, delete it, because still it is not correct. Go to the click on status once, refresh your status, click on proposal run, start immediately, click on continue. Proposal run, continue. Payment proposal has been created. Even I don't know whether it is corrected or not. Display proposal. Still I see some errors. I don't know why. So double click here. Error in creating the payment document read job. So what we'll do? Come back, go to the log again. Display proposal log. So here this vendor, additional log for vendor, due date, determination, payment must take place. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. And document via 5 lakhs. This is also okay. This is also okay. This is also okay. Payment must take payment. This is also fine. Due date determination, grace days, cash discount. Yes. What is 4006 account, sir? What is 4006? 6 is gain on
Gain
exchange.
last.
So since we created as a primary cost, so definitely we created as a controlling. So system is expecting one.
Cost center.
Exactly, exactly. Yep.
We'll change it to non-operating.
Wait. Huh, why to change? No, sir. I mean, if it is non-operating, then it will not ask you. You are smart now, huh? It's a revenues, create bank interest. So, okay. So 4006 it is asking. So slash O OK B9. That's correct, Chari. If you are treating as a non-operating, then system will not ask you any account assignment. But it's a business decision, not your decision. Okay.
Okay.
I'm giving complicated scenario. You are making very simple scenario. Okay.
Okay.
So company code is TN98 and account is 4006. Your cost center is 100. That's what we defined. So save it. Click on continue. See how many errors are coming. Go back. Now again go to the edit proposal. Delete it. Okay. Status. Click on proposal again. Click on continue. Continue. Now again see for the display proposal. Again I'm seeing some errors. Oh my god. I'm surprised. Double click here. Error in creating the payment method. Why is still it is irritating?
I think for last account also we have to default
We'll see.
cost,
We'll
cost
see.
center.
We'll see, sir. As of now, we have created only one account, right? Display proposal log. Scroll down directly. It'll give errors in that on. Yeah, now it's almost posting documents additional log currency in line INR currency in line to year 2 company code TNC payment method 6. Okay. Information, pay vendor, paying company code payment not possible because reported error. There is no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's paying for all the entries, sir. There is no issue here. Document, document dollar, document,
Sir,
document.
fine. Correct the customization settings.
Correct the
Correct the
customizing settings for the Ledger Universal General. So someone has done the changes. Fins accounting, yes, we got the error. Good. So what we should do? What we should do? Slash o f dash
Finsled
02. What we should do, sir? Test
new
one,
entry.
test one entry first. Slash n fb50. It's easy transaction. See, madam, how much tough it is. So
TA 90,
TA 98.
98,
And let us go with this one. GL account. What is the account we have?
3000.
Give me some normal accounts, balance sheet accounts or expense accounts. Okay. Where is
3000, sir.
rent expenses and give some bank account, normal bank. I'm not giving out main out bank, okay, but just for testing this scenario. So 100 and 100, okay, press enter. Aha. So this will anyhow it will ask you, since it is an account assignment cost assignment account. Cost center TA 90,000 does not exist on 410. Okay, sorry, this was wrong. 100 100. Okay, now this is fine. Business area field, where is business area? TCHY, press enter. So this is okay. Simulate, post. So someone has changed some details, sir. So click on fins cost construct. Again we are going back. So what are the our ledgers, sir? T9 0L only, right? EL
Yes.
and Z is not ours. Okay. So EL and ZE, EL and ZE slash O FINSC underscore LEDGER. That's correct. EL and ZE. It's not working. It's not working, huh?
Yes, sir. It's not working.
It has to work, sir. See. So someone has logged it. Someone has logged it, sir. So what we'll do? Just remember what are the errors. Z, E and EL is not ours. Okay. I'll just close this one. I'll close this one. I'll close this one also. Yes. And what else I'll close? This one also close. And this one also close. This also okay. This one let it be. Configuration account. This also close. This also close. This one. So SM12. Let me delete it first. Remove this one. Delete it. Should have so much patience, right?
Correct.
Now FINSC underscore
Underscore ledger.
ledger. It's fine. Just imagine from the last 21 years I'm using the SAP screens. How much patience should I have? Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
you heard my sentence?
Yes, sir.
ZE, right? It was?
Yes, sir.
This is not ours. So remove this one. Position 667 are there. Company code is TA98. Select your TA98, delete it. Click on save. What was another one?
LE.
EL, I think.
LE.
EL. EL, correct.
EL.
So he's getting offer letter, right, Divya? So he's getting confused.
Confused.
Uh,
అరే ఊరికే దాని గురించి చెప్పకండి నువ్వు.
That's a big level.
Sir, Chari sir, you're SAP consultant, sir, now. You're SAP consultant now.
ఇంకా రాలేదు సార్ ఆఫర్ లెటర్ రాలేదు, నేను జాయిన్ కూడా కాలేదు.
As a consult, see, once the documents are uploaded in Accenture portal, definitely you will get the offer letter, okay? I know that because I already worked for Accenture also.
మ్మ్.
Okay, next is, what is the another one? Position, EL,
ఇయ్యాలి.
this is also not ours. I need to explore this extension ledger option scenario also. Position, TN98, delete it, save it. Oh my god, how many errors, sir? Getting pain now. We started at what time?
3:30.
4:30, 1.5 hour. No issues. I need to fulfill your amount also, right?
We have not yet paid completely.
That's fine. But your understanding is very important, okay? Try to understand the concepts. Okay, now I have created both, I mean, our company code from the both ledgers, which is not relevant for our company code. So I'm just coming back here. That's what we did now. And go back to your proposal again. So this error has been resolved. Okay, I hope. Come back. Do you want me to delete it again? Edit proposal, delete it. Yes, I hope now it should work. If it is not working, then we'll ask Sakshi to resolve the issue. What, Sakshi? Display proposal? Oh my god. ये कब हो जाएगा फिर? Error in log. Oh my god. Back. Go to the proposal, display proposal log. So see it here. So slowly observe. What is the issue? Still I'm getting this issue, sir.
Yes.
Why?
Don't. We have to start from the starting. Just F110.
Seriously? Bah, bah, bah. So do you have any ear problem?
No, sir.
That much sound, huh? Sir, let me test slash n f dash fb50, sir, first. fb50.
50.
So Divya, you're working, right? Even Sakshi also working, I think. Office work.
Saturday.
Today Saturday.
Oh my god, today Saturday. Oh my, I'm just thinking Friday it is.
No, sir.
So you guys are chill, enjoying then. This is 1000. This is not the balance sheet account. So this one it will ask TCHY. Press enter. Click on simulate. Click on post. Oh my god, that's the reason, sir. That's the reason. Understood. So someone has changed some other settings also. Oh my god. So please solve the issues, madam. Correct the customizing settings for the ledgers for the universal ledger. Currency configuration for controlling area T898 is inconsistent customizing. TN88 controlling is inconsistent. Someone has changed client settings. Slash n SCC4. See, this is 100 client, right? 100 client. It was earlier, which currency it was earlier?
USD.
USD.
That's the problem, sir. That's the main problem. People are changing client level currencies. This is ridiculous blunder because this is very sensitive transaction. This one, very sensitive, very sensitive. I don't know why people are changing that one. that should be logged. See, I'm ready to test as many as times, but changing very sensitive transitions, that is really ridiculous. See, luckily we know where to correct the settings, but people who don't know what they will do, they'll stop their practice. Correct? Now it's getting
Yes.
posted. See,
Yes.
46. Okay. Now come back to the which one?
Display proposal.
Proposal. We are in we have not created anything. F110. I've deleted it, sir. Parameters
Okay.
have deleted it.
Okay.
See, parameter, company code, payment method is 6, next posting date, and the supplier is this one. Supplier is supplier thing. This is also not required, but fine. Parameter free selection is not required. Additional log, first one, third one, and fourth one. So why we are giving logging? Because in case if it is fails, it gives logs. Okay, for the log in case if it is failing. So this is not required. Come back to the status, click on save. Parameters has been entered. Proposal, start immediately. Now also it will get failed. I know. Proposal, display proposal. Still it is showing in green color. Oh my god. Congratulations. Guys, congratulations. So if you double click here, what happens? So this is a proposal payment in the test run mode. Okay, it's creating one proposal payment. So if you want to see /o sc16n, double click here. So REGUP, okay, process status for payment program. So run on. We it was fourth only. Identification what we had given? What is the identification we had given? TA01, right? Press enter, click on execute. So if you look at here, see we have executed many times. It's a proposal, so it's getting stored here. It is getting stored here. Whatever we have done, it is getting stored here. Okay. We have another table REGUP. Yes, also S is settlement data. I mean accounts blocked for payment proposal. In case in your previous payment runs, if the account is blocked, then it will show here. RUGP UH also it's there. So here also run on, and this is your identification. Run on is date, right? This is, and this is your execute it. So you will not. So it's indicate now settlement data for payment program. We are in the proposal indicator only proposal run. Okay. Once I execute in the main payment run program, I mean main production mode, then it will one more entry will get created with blank one. So go to the proposal. Now double click here. Now you can see all the items with house bank, with account ID, payment method, currency, vendor. Earlier it was not coming. Now it's coming for all the items. So come back and come back. So now we are happy. We are happy. No issues. Everything is fine. How I have confirmed everything is fine, Sakshi? I have confirmed under display proposal. Now it's coming green mode. I have resolved all the issues. Come back and click on payment run. The last step. Payment run. Now continue. Continue. Cancelled. Why it cancelled? In the proposal log, it had not shown anything. But let us see the log. Log. Where is the log? What is the issue, sir? Again, it got cancelled. Some technical issue or I think so. But this is getting this is getting post. This is almost done actually. Okay, because anyone can tell me what was the issue? Delete output. Yes, so I've deleted everything. Proposal created. Go to the display proposal. Now everything is there here. Come back. /o fbzp. Sir, someone has to tell me, sir. Not here. Country level, payment method country level. Go to the position. Okay, you are in India only. 6 is your bank transfer for a TN98. See, document type for ZP. Do we have number range? /o OBA7. I'm getting pain now, lower back pain. So ZP. Okay, ZP is for payment posting for via payment program. 20 number range for TN98. Change intervals. There is no 20. That's the reason. That's the reason.
Is it shown in the error flag, sir?
Yes, sir. It is showing error flag. It is okay, in the proposal log. It is mentioned. What it is mentioned? Where is that one? Where is the proposal log? Here it's there. It is showing clearly, sir. I mean, it is not saying direct, but if you look at here, it is giving this ID, proposal document number, test run
Okay.
document number. So
Okay.
it is, you're almost done, right? So its system is expecting actual number range. Okay, system is expecting actual number range. So plus, so give the 20 here and the 2025. What is the next number? 1300, 1300,
1500 also there.
1500, 1501, right?
Yeah, 150.
1501 to 1600. Press enter, save. So Divya, Chari has to give the party, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will give.
This week.
This week, once you get the offer letter, you have to give. Okay, what I will do, I'll click on payment run, continue, press enter. One generated, one completed successfully without any issue. See, one generated in the sense one vendor found out with invoices, one completed successfully. This has been carried out. I mean, has been done. If you want to see, you can see display proposal log. You can see the what do you say all items here. It won't show any documents here, but if you want to see the documents, go back to your report. So refresh your transactions, execute it. So there are no open items. Okay, how to find out what is today's date, madam? 4/10, right? So for example, ZP. Okay, ZP is our documents. Double click here. You can see the overview document. You can see here. It is updating ICC outgoing account, and again on exchange rate also. Okay, so vendor to outgoing payment, vendor account to bank account, outgoing bank account. So here, if you click on document header, you can see here document header text. It's a I mean, what you say 04 October year company code. This is coming automatically. When you use automatic payment program, system will take number range from ZP. In the configuration, we have ZP, right? That's the reason. And system is updating F110 as a transaction code we posted from this transaction. Is that clear? Which is 1,50,000, 15,000. It's all together amount it got posted. So if you
Sir, why it is posted separately 3020 3020?
maybe it's a different
Currency, yeah.
maybe I think so. Not currency. We need to find out why it is posted separately. Maybe different reference. But it got posted. Very long session, right? It's taking time. Fine. Okay, but you understood the concept. Huh. Not sure, sir. Maybe need to check the invoices once, relevant invoices once.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but it got posted. It has been cleared everything. If you check the report, everything has been cleared. There is no open items. Okay.
Okay.
You'll have thousands of suppliers and you'll have thousands of transactions. So don't worry on one particular item. At last, it will make the payment accordingly. System will make the payment accordingly. Now, okay. Now someone has to tell me what are the errors we faced. Who will be telling? Sakshi, you want
First
to tell? First, what
posting
is?
period.
Very good. Posting period. Divya, what is the next error?
So
Number range was not defined.
Posting period. Someone told me a number range
Yes, sir.
for ZP, right? And
ZPS.
because in the configuration it is mentioned as ZP. Okay, in the payment method for payment method for country, it is mentioned over there. Posting period variant, number range. What is another one? We
Exchange rate.
exchange rate differences. That is also very good. Exchange rate differences. And what else we had seen? We had seen uh, new ledgers,
Finsilage.
new ledgers. That is also very headache it is. What is another error? Only this one, huh? For these four we
Cost center. Cost center.
cost center for the exchange gain loss accounts. Okay, cost center.
Yes.
Okay, and okay, been also done. And what else?
Client has been changed.
Someone has changed the client level settings also. Stupidity. Client level settings. Aha. Client level settings. And what else we had seen there as?
This is only I think.
I hope. I hope. Okay. And make sure your of course in the vendor master it is already maintained payment method, so no need to maintain at the item level, it is already there. Okay, and um, if it is not maintained payment method in the vendor master, you can maintain at the item level, I mean at the document level. That is fine. So these are the different settings we had seen. That's the reason it took a lot of time. I know that all these errors will come. Okay, so we are like I'm stopping this one. It's a very long session.